Hi, this guy that's called remove the time. What do we have here? Well, we have a string as an argument. That will be this input string, a weekday, a month, a day of the month, and the time. And what we basically have to do is to remove the time after the comma and return the rest of the string. Let's go. First of all, I want to use the partition method. Of course, there are several methods to get this done, but let me showcase the partition method. It's a built-in method for strings. So let's make a new variable. Partition is equal to long date dot partition. And as an argument, we put in the separator. That would be the comma. So let's return that partition here. Yeah, here we have a list with the prefix, the separator, and the suffix. And what we basically have to do is to dice this list. The suffix is indicated by index 0. So between square brackets, we put in a 0, and that will return the first part of the string. Is that equal to the expected output? I guess. Yeah. Okay. Then I showcase the second method. It's almost the same. It's called the split method. It's also a built-in method for strings. We can use the same style. So make a new variable. Partition is equal to long date dot split, and we put in the separator as an argument, the comma. So when we return the partition, we have a list again, but contrary to the partition method, the comma doesn't have a own index. So what we have to do is to return index 0 again. And that is the expected output. Let's compare it to be sure. Yeah, it returns true. Well, let's test it out. And there we go. Hope this has been useful, that you learned something from it. I thank you for watching and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.